Hey, what's up guys? Mikel Bennett here, and really quick I wanted to give you guys a quick story from one of the members inside of our credit repair group. So he purchased our Credit Essentials bundle, and inside of there's our Magic Eraser course, and that is our credit repair course. It's going to show you everything to remove negative items off of your credit report, right? Well, this member, he actually got the course, but he didn't start working on it right away. But what he saw was other members inside of our Facebook group, because once you purchase, you get invited into our private Facebook group. Now, he saw other members winning inside of the group. And then one day he said, you know what, I need to open this course and get to work on my credit. And literally within 3 weeks, he was able to remove essentially almost everything off of his credit report. And it was crazy to follow the journey of him, working on his credit, because he would come in, he said, you know what, I need to start working on that. I see everybody else getting results. And then when he would have questions, he would post in the group about his questions, right? And then look at this. This was, I believe, one of the last negative things he needed off of his credit report. He was able to remove inquiries, collections, right? And look at all of the engagement, other people, just interacting in the group, because when one person wins, everybody wins. When one person gets a win, that means that there's more knowledge and more information for us to be able to share within the community, right? So when someone asked him how long did it take, 2 to 3 weeks, right? And what did he do? He said, I literally followed the steps in the course. So I want you guys to understand that this course will help you to understand credit, to repair your credit, and to rebuild or build your credit so that you can get approved for the things that you want. And if it's business credit, we show you how to structure your credit report to get approved for business credit. So don't be like him on the sideline watching everybody else getting results when you could be in here implementing and working towards the goals that you have with your credit, okay? My name is Mikel Bennett. If you're ready to start taking your credit into your own hands, the link will be below. You can click the link and get access to the DIY credit repair course, and it's gonna be inside the Credit Essentials bundle, okay? So I'll see you guys on the inside.